A dad walks into court saying he just wants help with insurance money. But within minutes, this case explodes into claims about missing child support, new cars, strippers, and a witness who wasn't even supposed to be a witness. The judge is trying to sort out whose numbers are real, whose stories are twisted, and who's actually taking care of these kids. Then the mother drops a bomb about why their marriage ended and everything changes. By the time this hearing ends, the judge's patience is gone and the final ruling hits harder than anyone expected. This case, it turns messy fast.
Mr. Lewis, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
All right, Your Excellency. First of all, I want to say how good it is to be in front of you, because I know you are a fair judge and you going to hear this right, because, you know, a brother needs some help around about now.
Okay.
But my ex over here, Vagelina, she need to be coming up off the insurance money for these kids. She has not given me any help as far as like taking care of these kids. And then she want to play sports. I need help.
All right, how many kids are we talking?
3.
3? Okay, what are their ages?
16, 12, and 9.
All right.
Who kids are 16, 12, and 9? Go ahead.
You don't know?
He don't know it. Go ahead. I'm waiting.
Oh, okay.
Next. Don't worry.
So did you say the wrong ages or something?
16, 12, and 9.
Okay, I got you. Now, you don't have to do all of that back to her.
I'm sorry, Your Excellency.
She'll have her opportunity to speak. I just want to hear your side of things going on right now. So tell me, take a deep breath, woosah. All right. Now, what is going on? Tell me the backstory.
Okay. So me and Vag got together back in the day.
All right.
We been tight, everything was good. But then she started giving me like all kind of attitude, all kind of problems. She stopped showing up at home, Your Honor.
Okay.
And so I don't understand it. So when I was coming...
So y'all don't live together anymore?
No more. Not right now.
And the children live with?
Me.
Okay, got it. Continue.
Now, okay, let's be straight up. 2 of the kids, mine.
Okay.
I just take care of the little third one because she won't come around.
Okay.
I mean, he all right and stuff like that, but I take care of the third one. He all right, he's straight.
Okay.
But I don't get any insurance payments or any assistance. When these kids have to go to the doctor, when they have to be out of school because one of them hurt their leg or their arm or something like that, I don't get no help. I call her, well, that's you taking care of them kids. I know that, but I ain't have them.
I understand your frustration.
I just need some help on this.
I understand your frustration.
Thank you.
Were y'all in a relationship?
We were married, unfortunately.
Oh, okay, so y'all are divorced.
Indeed.
All right, so you're under the divorce decree. Who had custody of the kids? Like who were, okay, you, okay. All right. All right,
no
tell
bread.
me. So there was an agreement not to receive or pay child support at the time of the divorce?
Well, I didn't really want to.
I don't think the mother should pay child support to the father. You're the father.
I'll get to you in just a moment, and we'll touch on that comment you just made.
Your Highness, see, that's what I'm talking about. That's the kind of stuff I have to deal with. She don't want to do nothing for the children. Nothing.
Okay. She doesn't come and pick them up or anything like that?
I ain't gonna say
about
that. I ain't gonna say that.
Lie about it.
Excuse me. That's it.
My apologies.
Don't apologize, just don't do it, okay?
She came and picked them kids up when they had that versus battle.
Okay.
She came and picked them up.
All right.
Other than that,
was it something special about that battle?
them kids wanted to see it, so she was down for it and stuff like that. Other than that, she ain't come to pick, you ain't come pick them up for Easter. Not one Easter. One.
Okay. Now, Mr. Lewis, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her and she gets to tell me her side?
Now, I want you to hear what she got to say right quick, because it ain't gonna be too much of nothing. I just need you to help me with this insurance.
Health insurance and child support, right?
I ain't gonna really push that, but and you know, with you being the judge, Your Honor, you can push that child support, because we need a little help. We need a little help.
Okay.
It's hard out here.
All right. Well, can I move over to her?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Hello, great evening, sunshine. Is it really my turn? You ready? You done? Okay.
Okay, all of that extra.
Because, ma'am, he's not giving you the full
You know,
story.
although I love the Vogue, we don't need it right now, okay?
I'm so sorry.
Okay, don't be sorry. Just don't do it. Get to the point. Let's go.
This young...
Oh wow, that escalated in record time. Dad walks in asking for help with insurance, but is already throwing side comments, mixing up ages, and practically begging the judge to push child support for him. And the judge can already tell this case is not going to be quiet. The tone is calm on the surface, but underneath you can feel the pressure building. And the way he casually admits one of the kids isn't biologically his, but he takes care of him anyway. That says a lot. It shows responsibility, sure, but it also sets up a deeper issue. These two cannot agree on anything, not even basic facts.
My ex-husband, when we divorced,
Okay.
I did not have the job in which I have now. That's how he received
Where do you
custody.
work at now?
I am now a building manager.
Okay.
I have been trying to get custody of my children for several months. The reason for the divorce, once I started working at the building in the beginning, I went to take the maintenance guy over to check out one of the units that needed to be serviced, and my husband was there sticking a toy in a young lady's ear.
Wait. Your Majesty, that's a desperation.
That is not a decimation of nothing,
Yes,
sir.
it is.
You was decimating that lady's ear, sir.
First of all, both of you are saying the word wrong. It's defamation,
Silly.
okay? And there will be no outbursts in here. Let her speak, and then when she is done, if I need clarification or anything, I will come back to you, okay?
I apologize, Your Majesty.
Okay, no apologies, just don't do it. It's that simple. Okay, now continue.
So, after that, I do come and pick up the children every weekend. I also pick them up on Wednesdays, correct? What do you do on...
You're talking to
I'm
me
sorry.
right now. You're not talking to him.
I pick them up every Wednesday and on the weekends.
Okay.
So that's when he go out and do his old nasty finagling with the money that I do send him. The children still call me for assistance financially because the money that I do send them,
How much money do you send them on a
I
monthly
send my
basis?
children $750 a month.
Can you believe how fast this flipped? Mom says she picks the kids up every weekend and on Wednesdays, which is already the total opposite of what Dad said. But then she drops that wild claim about catching him with a toy in someone's ear. The judge's face said everything, and Mom's energy is strong. She comes in ready to fire. Shots like she's been waiting a year to finally say this in front of someone who can't walk away. The back and forth is messy, but one thing is clear. These two bring drama everywhere they go.
$55.
On top of...
I said no outburst. Do you want me to hear this case or not?
I really do. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
He is sorry. On top of...
I don't need you to throw jabs at him while I am addressing him, okay? You all are going to have to learn to respect each other. Otherwise, I can't get any information that I need, and I'll have to dismiss your case. And I know you do not want this case dismissed.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
$750 a month on top of the insurance that I pay a month. And he just got a new car.
Okay.
And I believe he is about to move.
But he would need a car for the transportation of 3
There
children.
was absolutely nothing wrong with the...
How do you know nothing? How do you know nothing was wrong with his car?
I'm there every week at least twice or 4 times to pick up and drop off.
That doesn't mean that nothing is wrong with his car.
Pick up and drop off.
Excuse me. That doesn't mean
He
that
got a
nothing
new
is wrong
car
with his
because
car.
he let his new girlfriend get the other car.
So are you mad about that?
No, I'm not. I'm mad that my money is not going to my children, and he has me in court asking for more money.
How do you know it isn't going to the children?
My children tell me, Mama, we don't have food in the house.
Do they
Mom,
tell you that or
they
you
do
ask
tell me
them?
that, oh no, I don't have to ask them.
Well, and while
any
we're on the subject of the children, how old are they?
My children, Earth, Wind, and Fire, our children.
Well, he said
Are
one of
7
them. He said one of them is not his child.
No, all 3 of them, 7, 9, and 11. 7,
That's far
9,
You see
and
what I'm saying?
11.
You see
And
what I'm
yes,
saying,
I do
Judge?
want them to play sports because he have them at home playing video games where they're learning to play with strippers on some video game, but the girls shaking their tail on the table, on the pole, on the video game. That's what he got them doing, and he want more money because I want them in sports.
What kind of sports are you
I just
trying
want
to
them to
put
play
in?
football, basketball.
Are you
They
going
can do
to
tennis.
cover that
I do not
expense?
mind.
Okay.
I actually want them back. My son walked in on him and his friend with a stripper with the coinage, because he only makes what?
This part changes everything. Suddenly, the kids' ages don't even match between the parents. Like they're talking about two completely different families. Then Mom says the kids are calling her for food money because the house is empty. And then the stripper in the house accusations. At this point, the judge is basically doing emotional crowd control, not just legal arbitration. And honestly, if the kids walked in on even half of what Mom claims, that's not a small issue. Whether it's true or not, this moment shows just how far apart their stories are.
So the children do live with him, which means you should be paying him some sort of child support.
That's $950 so far a month.
Okay. I thought it was $750.
$750 plus the insurance that I'm already paying.
Oh, okay. How much is the insurance?
The insurance is $200 a month.
Okay. Is that for all three of the children?
That's for all three children.
Okay.
That's a travesty, you're higher up.
1 second. 1 second. Now, is that not what she's paying? How do you know?
The money that hits that account is nowhere near it.
How much has she been giving you according to your record?
In total, I have $785 from the whole year that someone calls themselves paying. I'm telling you, it's a travesty.
How do you send the money?
I send it
Cash app.
direct deposit. It comes out of my account directly.
So is it Cash App or is it direct deposit?
It's
Are the
direct
children
deposit.
16, 12, and 9, or they 7, 9, and 11?
7, 9, and
Y'all
11.
have me so
As the young
confused.
folks say these days, I got receipts.
I
Okay.
have receipts also, ma'am.
So it sounds like we need birth certificates too, because y'all don't know how old these kids are.
Let's do it. My son say he stays high. How would he know?
Oh,
I got a witness.
Bring
okay. Who is your witness? And what are they going to be a witness to?
My character and how she has not been paying on these bills that she's supposed to be paying on, Your Honor. I need help with this insurance.
Okay. All right, so we're going to have the bailiff get your witness, okay?
I appreciate that.
All right.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Excuse me. That's supposed to be my witness. What did you?
It didn't turn out that way today, Your Honor. Didn't turn out that way.
Okay, so she is your witness.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is your name? Yes.
Shantae.
Okay. Did you forget your name?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now, Miss Shantae, what? And you will not
I got
disrespect
quiet. I got
and
quiet.
disrupt her.
I get quiet.
Okay, please. Thank you. Now, Shantae, what's going on? Has she been giving this man $750 a month, or is
No.
his account
No,
true
ma'am.
that it's only $700 or so dollars?
There's
in total?
only $785 that's been given the whole year.
Okay.
The whole year.
Okay, Miss Shantae.
So where's
Are
the
you
rest
sure?
of the money?
Wait, Miss
Excuse
Shantae.
me. No, you wait. You wait. You wait.
And then boom, the girlfriend shows up. She walks in as the witness, but she's actually Dad's girlfriend and immediately confirms Mom only paid $785 all year. That's the moment the whole case tilts. Because once she verifies it, the judge sees a pattern. Two people agreeing on one thing, one person denying it with zero paperwork. And that seat switch moment where the girlfriend starts arguing. The judge nearly lost it. This courtroom is 10% legal hearing, 90% chaotic family reunion.
I don't have time. I can leave.
I don't need you to do that. I promise, please.
Well, yeah. So it sounds like we probably need to reset this when you all have calmed down and can talk with some sense, not
Your
talk
Honor.
over each other. I think that's what we're going to do.
I just want my
We
children.
can. We're all calm, Your Honor. Can we
I
just
want my children.
Y'all
continue
are all
on?
calm because I got up to leave.
I mean, we don't want you to go. I don't want to come back and waste my time. I want to go back.
We
to
Well,
my
it's
children.
about
Obviously,
kids.
all three of you came here to waste my time. Shantae, I thought you were going to give me
No,
some
Your Honor,
information
we're
that
here-
I really needed.
We're here to.
Mr. Lewis, you filed this suit because you said you needed help. Sound like you just want to get revenge.
Miss Omnipotence, I promise you,
And
it's not that.
Miss Badgelina, am I saying that right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm really not sure why you're here.
I don't either. Me neither. I really would like my children.
Well, that's not going to happen because they've been living with Dad.
Thank you.
I'll keep fighting for them.
Okay, so this is what we are going to do today. And if I have any outbursts while I say this, your case will be reset, okay? Everybody got that? Everybody
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
so you asked for back child support. So we are going to grant the back child support to dad because based on his testimony as well as his witness's testimony, you've only given $785. You didn't bring anything in here with me, any receipts to show that, well, here's the deal about evidence. Testimonial evidence is still evidence. So until you bring something that can go against what he said, I have to assume it's true because you guys raised your hand and swore that you would tell the truth, right? So that's what we're going to do. You're going to reimburse him. I will give you credit for the $785. Now, if you bring something in here to show different.
Now, the judge is done being patient. She basically tells all three of them they're wasting her time. And honestly, she's right. The case derailed into personal attacks instead of actual evidence. But buried under all that noise is the judge's biggest point. Testimonial evidence counts if it goes unchallenged. She gave them multiple chances to bring receipts and only one side came prepared.
We can do different, but $750, $785, you subtract that from what it should be for the past year is $8,215 that you owe in back child support that is going to be paid to him monthly at a rate of $100. Then on top of that, how much is it that you make a year?
Yeah, you just took it out.
$200K.
She makes $200,000 a year.
Okay, all right.
$200,000 a year is what she makes.
Okay, thank you. Now, nothing else while I'm talking. Okay, thank you.
But they just
health insurance, $200. You get credit for that.
Oh no.
Your child support, because you capped out, is going to come out to $2,760 plus the $100 reimbursement, bringing your amount to $2,860 per month.
So we brought the same type of evidence in here, and because he's hunching his, I have to pay the month.
Okay, that was inappropriate, first off. Second off, I made my ruling.
Which was a great ruling, Your Highness.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure was.
You almost didn't get it because of this behavior. All right. Are there any other questions?
No, ma'am.
As I said, if you can bring testimonial evidence is evidence. Now, you saying that he didn't do it is not going to be sufficient. You have another witness over here who says that you haven't done it. So am I supposed to just believe, wait a minute, am I just supposed to believe that you have done it? You said you do it by direct deposit, right?
I do.
So that means you should have some slips to show that
but
he's
he
not
don't have
telling
any
the truth.
either. He just have the mouth that he landed in.
Okay, well, here's the deal. I said what I said. You didn't have anything. Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
No, Your Honor.
You know what?
Okay, if there is nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Just
Thank you.
Yeah, and there it is. The final ruling hits like a stack of bills. Over $8,000 in back child support and a monthly payment of $2,860. The judge wasn't joking. She used the numbers she had and she stuck to them. The reactions in that courtroom say everything about how unprepared this family was for a real legal outcome. Did the judge reach the right outcome? Drop the ruling that should have happened in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more breakdowns of cases just like this.